Maybelline Concealer and I'm going to start concealing my eyes and prep it for the shadow. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some tape and I'm going to place this tape on the outer corners of my eyes. That way when the shadow is all done, there is a sharp and fierce line at the corner of my eye. So I'm going to be grabbing my Carli Bell palette. I'm going to go in with these two colors. So I'm going to go in with this light color and place it all over my eye. Now I'm going to start picking up this darker brown color and I'm going to be bringing it to the end of my eye and just bringing it up and mixing it in with my crease. Start placing it where I want it, and then once I know where I want it, that's when I start blending it. I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be grabbing this color, and this is in the color Twerk. Sounds about right, right? Now I'm just going to go in and grab Pool Party, and I'm going to bring that into the center portion of my eye. Now we're just going to get that brown and start blending it into the purple. Next, I'm just going to go in with the clean brush and just start blending everything together. This is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Mascara. She got this in my BoxyCharm this month. Into my lashes, these are the Eyelure London Cosmetic Lash. These are the number 126. These are my favorite drugstore lashes. They're so dramatic and they're so beautiful. Go ahead and apply them and I'll be back. We have that done. I'm just going to bring the exact same colors and start doing it underneath my eye. I'm going to go into the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and apply that all over my face. I'm going to go into the Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the Skin to Die For Mattifying Primer, and I'm just going to place this in my T-zones area where I know I'll get oily. I'm going to go into my Milani foundation. This is the concealer and the foundation, and this is in light beige number 3, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm going to go into my Maybelline Concealer. We're just going to go into the air spun and we're going to set wherever we concealed. So while that's setting, I'm just going to go in and contour my face. I'm going to be using the NYX Whipped Lip and Cheek Souffle, and I'm just going to contour. On my face a little, I'm going to be going into the Colourpop bronzer. This is in the color K-Pop Bronze Me. Go ahead and remove the powder, and I don't brush it off. I just get my beauty blender and I push it into my skin. The reason I push it into my skin is I feel like I won't wrinkle as much as I do when I brush it off. So it really helps me a lot. I'm going to go into the blush, and I'm going to be using the Note blush. This is number 5 in Desert Rose. I got this in my BoxyCharm today, and look how cute. You can actually use a little brush and you can pull it down. So it's like a good to go brush, and it's a really pretty color. I do put a lot of blush on, just like I now did. Just make sure you get your beauty blender and use the bottom portion of the blender where you applied your foundation, and just push that into the blush, and it'll actually warm it up and it won't be as much blush, so you can look normal, so you don't look like a clown. Highlighter, I'm just going to go into the Anastasia times Amrezy, and I'm just going to place this all over my face. Onto lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Natural Lip Liner, and I'm just going to outline my lips. Next, I'm going to be going into the OFRA lip color in the color Verona, and I'm just going to be placing this on my lips. Place it on. Now I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend it into my lips. Now it's time to set the face. I will be using my favorite iconic Glen & Prep Set and Glow. I'm just going to shake it up. Now we're going to bathe. And this completes my look for today. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell at the top of the video. Whenever I post, you will be the first one to know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
So come over here and sit next to me.